Penguin Pop. Action papercraft. This is a beauty. It's a kit too, and as you know, I love kits, so I made my own version. Let me show you what it does. This is something I've had now for about 3 months, and I keep showing it to people, and it keeps delighting people, so I think I'm going to be showing it for a lot longer yet. It's a penguin, all flat, but you have to first of all get the trigger, so it sticks up, hold it like that, and drop it down. Magic! How does it do that? Well, there's an elastic band on the head there, there's an elastic band on the body there, and then there's this beautiful trigger mechanism, which is so simply designed. Just lift it up and flap it like that, and from almost any height it gently performs. Fantastic, isn't it? Very, very simple. And it takes about, took me about half an hour to an hour to make, and there's no glue involved. That's the other nice thing. They're all little things you insert together. There's a bit of a fiddle to get the elastic bands in place inside, but that's by the way. But to have something that's completely without any need of any glue is a great joy to me, so you don't get sticky fingers. And I just love the idea that even from quite a low height, it pops up with its wings flapping. They call it an Adelie Penguin too, which is from. Flap, 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 close it up, turn it over, lift it up, drop it down, and magic. I'll do it again. Lift it up, drop it down. Wow. That's nice, isn't it? Does he bounce on his head as well, do you think, or not? Oh, he does, look at that.